In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deduplicate your HubSpot contacts and companies. A clean CRM is the foundation of accurate reporting, reliable automation, and a smooth experience for your sales and marketing teams. Duplicate records can inflate your numbers, split engagement history, and even cause people to receive the same email twice. Let's walk through the simplest way to identify and merge duplicates using HubSpot's built-in tools. Start on your HubSpot home screen and head into the CRM area. This is where your key records live. Open your contacts to view the list. In the upper right of the table, you'll see a More Actions menu represented by 3 dots. Click that to open the menu, then select Manage Duplicates. HubSpot will scan your contact records and present likely matches based on signals such as email address, name similarity, and other properties. You'll see suggested pairs to review. Open a pair to compare the 2 records side by side. Before merging, confirm you're looking at the same person by checking critical fields like email, company association, lifecycle stage, recent activity, and ownership. If one record has richer data or a fuller engagement timeline, set that one as the primary so it retains the main record ID and the most complete history. When you proceed, HubSpot combines the properties and consolidates engagements like emails, calls, notes, and tasks into the primary record. Keep in mind that merges are difficult to reverse, so take your time. If you're unsure about a suggestion, skip it and revisit it later. It's better to confirm than to accidentally join 2 different people. A few practical tips as you work. Prioritize duplicates that could skew metrics the most, such as records with different lifecycle stages or conflicting emails. If you regularly import data, consider exporting a quick backup of the contacts you plan to adjust, so you have a reference point if you need it, and align with your team on a simple rule for choosing the primary record, like keeping the one with the most recent engagement or the assigned owner. This same approach applies to companies as well. In the CRM's Companies section, you'll find the same duplicate management tool and can review suggested company pairs with the same care, preserving the most accurate company profile as the primary. Once you've cleared your suggestions, your automations, reports, and outreach become more dependable. Make it a habit to revisit the duplicate management tool after imports, data migrations, or major campaigns to keep your database tidy. That's it. You now know how to quickly see and merge duplicates in HubSpot, keeping your contacts and companies accurate, organized, and ready for action.